body. Come back to your pure consciousness, enjoying the present moment. Experience the world consciousness field. Enjoy the big Qi field. Today, it's the start of Chinese New Year. Everybody heart is opened. All the family start to celebrate. This creates a happy consciousness field for in this special time. I would like to invite everybody have a short meditation. Yeah. When you close eyes, you feel now is the time. Yeah. When you listen my voice message, you start to close eyes, listen. At the same time, feel your heart and the world consciousness field vibrate together. You can feel heart is opened naturally and feels relaxed and joyful feeling. This creates a harmonious Qi entirety state in your body and in the environment. We draw the support from this beautiful entirety and at the same time love self. Love all the cells, all the organs feel inside, have a good. And at the same time, draw the support from the world happy, open consciousness field. Send good information to your family, your friends, and all human. Feel this change. It's happen in our life deep inside and the world at the same time. 好了，混元灵通。好了。